Hello friends, welcome. In this video I'm going to work with group navigation because in the employees management we can see on here on sidebar we need the dashboard, the employees management, and system management is a group, so it has country, state, city, department, and also the user management is a group and has only the user. And I'm going to make that group navigation in this video. Also, I'm going to add rules to all forms we have, and I'm going to add icons because as you can see right now only the dashboard has this icon, home icon, and the others has the same icons. So let's go and start work, but before that, in the previous video we worked with users, and I want to show you when we edit a user. So right now if I open this in the private mode and go to the Filament employee tests, and let's log in with this user. Sorry, let's open now this one, and if I log in with this user, let's copy that, go to the private mode here and paste that in, and let's add 139 as a password. Open this inspect elements to show you the password. So here type text, hit enter, and yeah, we have 139. If I log in, is error. So if I say 138, and let's open again this to show you, inspect, type text again, hit enter. Yeah, now we have 138. Let's log in. Okay, now let's go back and change that password to 139 again here, just to see does it work. And if I add 8 here, save, we have the password and password confirmation must match. If I add the 9, save, the user is saved. Now if I open the new private and go to the filament, employees, go and log in, add that test user, let's inspect element. So text here, previous was 138. Now if I add 139 and say login, yeah, we are logged in. So the change password works. Okay. Now let's work with the group. If you go to the filament documentation, and down there we have navigation and grouping navigation items. So we need to add this line of code in our resource. So let's copy that and let's open the app filament city resource. This one is going to be a system management. So here we need to say system management. Okay, system management. And now let's copy this and save this one. Go to the country because the same is going to be. Okay, save this, go to the department and do the same. Go to the state and do the same here. Paste that and first save. And let's see now if we have any change in our project. Refresh. And yeah, here we have now the system management. Okay, let's create the user. So in the user, we need to add this one and say user management. Okay, So if I open first the notes, yeah, we have user management. And let's refresh now. And yeah, here we have the user management and system management here. Okay, now let's work with rules. So I'm going to add a rule to all of our forms, and let's take one by one. Here, city resource, we need this select, which is going to be required. Okay, and the name here to add to be required. Sorry, let's add it down there. So required. And also I'm going to add max length to be 255 for the name. Okay, let's save it and close the city resource, go to the country. We have this country code, which is going to be required. Okay, and max length is going to be 3. Okay, go here and say required. And also add max length to be 255. Okay, save it. Close this one, go to the department, and here we have only the name. So let's say required, and also add the max length to be 255. Save it, close this one, go to the employees, and I think we have added here the reactive, this one, and we need that required. Okay, and this one is going to be required. Okay, next one. This city is going to be required as well. And what we have others, we have this one which is required, and all of them is required. Now first name and last name, let's add also the max length to be 255, and I'm going to copy from here and paste it in the last name and address, and also in the zip code I'm going to say max length to be 5. Okay, that's it. Save for this one and close. Open the state resource, and here we have only this one, so it's going to be required, and the name is going to be required as well, and also add the max length to be 255 and save it. This one in the user resource we added the required and all of the validation. Okay, now let's work with the icons. I'm going to add icons. So in the city resource, as you can see here, we use the hero icon, and we have a collection. Let's go now to the hero icons and see what we can do. Okay, so we need hero icon for the city resource, and I'm going to add, let's see, yes, I think I'm going to add this one. So let's copy this of files building, and let's go here and change this name to this one. Save, and let's see in the project, system management, and yeah, cities has changed the. Now let's go to the country, close this one, go to the country, and for the country, I'm going to add search for flag. Yeah, I'm going to add the flag. And you can add what you want. So I'm going to save it. What we have other, we have the department. And for the department, what we can do, department. Let's add this one because it's the first one. I'm not going to be too crazy here. Okay, let's save it. Employees. For the employee, if I search for employee, we don't have. Yeah, I'm going to add this one. For the employees, go up here, paste that in, save, close this one, state resource. For the state, I'm going to add the same as the city, so let's copy this one and go to the state and paste that in, save. And for the user, search for user, and let's add this one, just user, normal one. Okay, go to the user, up here, paste that in, hit save, and close it. If I go to the browser and refresh, we have employees, very good. City, country, departments, and state. And we have users down there. And you can see now we are in the user and we highlighted the user here. Very good. If I go to the state, we highlighted the state. Okay, one more thing I want to do. I want to order this. So countries is going to be the first, after the state, the cities, and the last is going to be the department. And if you go to the navigation, getting started here to the navigation, we can see we have this arrow icon, navigation label, and also this navigation sort. So let's copy this one. And let's go first to the cities. Okay, filament, city resource, and paste that in. If I save, come here and refresh, cities are down there. Okay. Maybe the second and refresh again. Why cities is down there? Okay, countries is first. Now I need the departments to be the last one. So let's paste that in and refresh. And yeah, now we have countries first, states, cities, and department is the last one. Okay, friends, that's it about this video. I hope you understand, and if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.